went to pray this morning and then something rise up inside of me saying, why I haven't made any video? I have great subscribers, great people, good friends.
Spinach wrap, it's one of the best. Salsa turkey, it's my favorite. It's lettuce, tomatoes, and delicious mayo. Here, this is the secret. First you put the mayo, second the tomatoes, lettuce, and then the cheese, salt, pepper, oil, vinegar, and that's how you have this amazing wrap. Always good. Well, the secret to have a delicious sandwiches and food overall is to love what you do.
I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned a little bit. Cooking, it's always good when you have Jesus inside of you.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace.